Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make green jackfruit powder, only way. Remove the core, cut pods into roughly 1 to 2 cm pieces, and rinse immediately to reduce latex. Blanch pieces for 2 minutes in boiling water to stop enzymes. Pat dry thoroughly, then slice uniformly and arrange on dehydrator trays with space between pieces. Dry at 55 degrees C until brittle, cool, and grind to a fine powder, then store airtight. After drying, cool the brittle jackfruit chips completely to avoid moisture in the grinder. Work in small batches and pulse the blender to prevent heat buildup and clumping. Aim for a consistent fine powder that passes through a medium sieve for smoothness. Store the powder in airtight containers with a desiccant packet to keep it dry. Label with date and use within 6 months for best flavor and potency. If you're enjoying these tips, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing practical kitchen methods. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, a handy companion while you prep and dry ingredients. I put a link in the description where you can find current deals and details. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Jackfruit powder is versatile and works well in savory sauces, smoothies, and as a gluten-free binder. Rehydrate by mixing 1 part powder with 2 parts water for a paste that mimics texture in recipes. Adjust seasoning when using powder versus fresh fruit to account for concentration. Keep jars airtight and cool, and write the preparation date on the label to track freshness. Enjoy experimenting with it in everyday meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.